Nothing in the world takes place of persistence. Patience and persistence conquer difficulties and hardships with time. The nation's character determines its fate and destiny. Work hard, speak little, let actions prove everything. Prosperity comes through effort, not through government aid. No person was ever honored for receiving something. Silent men are often the wisest among us. Industry, thrift, and self-control build lasting national strength. Freedom must be defended through diligence and self-discipline. The business of America is business and industry. Honor belongs to those who serve, not demand. A nation's success depends on its people's character. Wealth is a tool, but not true success. No rewards exist for those who avoid work. Laws do not create morality, people's hearts do. Knowledge without character cannot build a strong nation. The man who works hardest succeeds the most. Government cannot replace individual effort or self-reliance. Wealth without wisdom destroys more than it builds. Duty and discipline keep nations strong and secure. The future belongs to those who work today. Simplicity in government ensures prosperity for its people. Success requires effort, not just ambition or dreams. Confidence is earned through discipline and honest labor. A wise man listens more than he speaks. The highest reward of work is inner satisfaction. Character outweighs intelligence in determining true success. Peace requires strength, discipline, and responsible leadership. Truth and honesty build trust among free people. We must govern ourselves before governing the nation. A free nation depends on responsible citizenship always. Courage is doing right when no one watches. Idle hands and minds create unnecessary social problems. The strength of democracy is in responsible citizens. Speaking less and thinking more improves every conversation. America thrives when individuals embrace hard work daily. Respect for law strengthens a nation's moral foundation. Achievement is always a result of sustained effort. Leadership demands wisdom, patience, and moral responsibility. We grow strongest through self-discipline and determination. Liberty must be protected by the virtue of citizens. The reward of hard work is earned success. Without perseverance, even talent achieves very little. Public service must remain honorable and without corruption. Happiness is found in responsibility, not just freedom. Self-control strengthens individuals and societies equally. Diligence in small things ensures greatness in life. A disciplined mind leads to a prosperous life. Freedom demands responsibility, not reckless indulgence or laziness. A great leader serves before expecting obedience. Work is the foundation of all lasting success. Self-reliance builds character and strengthens personal responsibility. Prosperity follows those who embrace effort and patience. True leadership demands humility, wisdom, and self-control. Great achievements are born from persistence and discipline. Freedom survives only when citizens remain morally responsible. Hard work creates opportunity where none previously existed. Law must serve justice, not personal or political gain. Nations' greatness depends on the virtue of citizens. Speaking wisely is better than speaking frequently or loudly. Success favors those who act rather than complain. Progress depends on effort, not empty promises alone. A wise leader listens before making any decision. The foundation of peace is justice and fairness. True wealth is measured in character, not money. The best way to lead is by example. A disciplined mind leads to a peaceful life. Government must not replace individual initiative and responsibility. The value of work is beyond material reward. Only through honesty can trust and respect grow. Strength of a nation lies in moral character. Silence often holds more wisdom than spoken words. Justice should serve people, not political ambitions. Success requires sacrifice, patience, and continuous effort. A good reputation is built by consistent integrity. Citizenship demands responsibility, not just rights and privileges. Liberty is safest in the hands of the virtuous. An industrious society prospers, while laziness leads to decline. Speaking truthfully is more powerful than speaking frequently. Real progress is built on honesty and diligence.